What is up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to give you a few updates of what the channel is going to look like over the next year or so. So first off, it's going to involve a lot more of my F-250 because my wife and I want to try to make a very long overland trip across the US, mainly out west. So that obviously means I need to do a lot of modifications on the truck in a short amount of time. So first thing is going to be bumpers, which I already have. I'm going to show y'all that in an upcoming video. The camper shell, which I got for a good deal. I did make a video about that one, but I picked that up for 300 bucks and it came with the roof racks and everything. Great deal. So I need to get a few things for that and do a little bit of work on that. I need to do a lift, rims, tires, because I don't want 20s anymore. I'm going to do a front locker, I think, an Eaton. I'm going to do a rooftop tent. I'm going to have to build a rack on top. I mean, I'm going to go all out, probably build some rock sliders for the cab area. So basically, if I high center, it protects the cab. But I got a lot of future plans for this thing, and I'm going to try to do it and show it on this channel in the near future. I also want to carry a motorcycle on the back of the truck, which is going to be a little tricky because my truck is already long. So I'm going to have to make like a high clearance motorcycle rack. But I want something other than the CBR 600 that's set up for off-road and the XT225. The XT225 is super weak and cannot handle two people, and the CBR 600 is just too heavy. So I want to get something like a DRZ 400 or something that I can throw on the back, that I can explore with and keep up the motorcycle content, so those few months that I'm gone, I'm not lacking on bike content. It might not be rebuilds, but it's still going to be moto vlogs, stuff that keeps y'all interested, because I know I'm kind of switching up my content a little bit. It's still going to be like, at least the building out process on this truck is going to be mechanically inclined, but the adventure process, the adventuring is going to be a little bit different than what I normally do. But it's what I have a passion for. And I hope y'all enjoy all the future content, and until next time, catch y'all on the flip side.